Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Microsoft PowerToys into your Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our Microsoft Store. For that, we need to come over this search icon and search for Microsoft Store. We can see over here that Microsoft Store. So if you now click on that, our Microsoft Store will be opened. And if we now maximize it, and then if we come over the search icon and search for Power, here you can see they are providing Microsoft PowerToys. If you now click on that, the PowerToys options will be opened. And if you now click on install, it will install automatically. Oh, now it's downloading, and after the downloading, it will automatically install. So it will take some minutes. So for that, we will go for another way. You can download it from Google Chrome. So it's very simple too. Just come over the search options of your Google Chrome and search for PowerToys and then click enter. After that, here you can see here is the Microsoft.com website is over here, but you can see over here that the install PowerToys option. So if you click on that, they will redirect you into this link over here, installing PowerToys. So scroll down a little bit, and after that you get an option called installing with Windows executable file from GitHub. And if you click on install PowerToys, and then you will come over this GitHub, and here you can find quite few options called version X4, ARM64 or machine-wide X4. So you just need to know which operating system you're using. So for that, just come over this search icons and search for settings, and then after coming on settings, you will get here, and if you come this search option and search for about, and you will get the option called about your PC. And if you click on that, you will come over your device about section, and you can see it's an Intel iCore 7, so it's not needed ARM, and you can see the operating type is 64-bit. So we need to download this x64 is over here. If you now click on that, you can see the download is started over here. You can see. So just go and download it. And if we now look at the Microsoft Store where we are downloading, you can see it's installing right now. So let's wait for downloading this. So here you can see that PowerToys is installed that we did from the Google Chrome. And if you now if we now click on this showing folder, and you can see our PowerToys setup is over here. And if we click on 2 times, it will be installed like we installed from Microsoft Store. So this is how you can install PowerToys from Google Chrome. And you can see if we go PowerToys is showing over here. It's PowerToys app. And if you now close the browser, you can properly see all that options in PowerToys is showing. So it's a way that you can download from Microsoft Store, and also you can download it from Google Chrome. So this is how you can download Microsoft PowerToys into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.